Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Uh, we weren't able to solve this problem, so we're going to the next one, and let's see if we can do this. So the this problem like sliding windows, and we're doing lead code 904 fruit into baskets. You are visiting a farm with that has a single row fruit trees arranged from left to right. The trees are represented by an integer array fruits where elements and fruits is the type of fruit the ith tree produces. Great. You want to collect as much fruits as possible. However, the owner has some strict rules that you must follow. You only have two baskets, and each basket can only hold a single type of fruit. Great. There is no limit on the amount of fruit each basket can hold. Okay. Starting from any tree of your choice, you must pick exactly one fruit from every tree. You must pick exactly one fruit from every tree, including the head. Okay. While moving the right, the picked fruit must fit into one of your baskets. Once you reach a tree with fruit that cannot fit into your basket, you must stop. Give the integer array. Return the maximum number of fruits you can pick. I didn't get it, guys. So the rules are we have a basket and the array consists of fruits. So elements in fruits is the type of fruit. I don't know what is this type of fruit. You only have two baskets and each basket can only hold a single type. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So type one fruits. Okay, great. You only have two baskets and each basket can only hold a single type of fruit. So we have two basket, guys. That's great. And we can have at most uh, as many fruits as possible into one basket, but it should be of one type only. So starting from any tree of your choice, we must pick exactly one fruit from every tree. From every tree. While moving to the right, the picked fruits must fit in one of your baskets. Starting from any tree of your choice, must pick exactly one fruit from every tree. Fruits. Once you reach a tree with fruit that cannot fit into your basket, you must stop. Okay. So let's see the example and let's understand it. So we have two distinct numbers. So type 1 and type 2. We can select all type 1 and one type 2, which is in total 3. And here 3 distinct traits. So let's see the explanation. We can pick from trees 1 to get it. If we had started at the first tree, we would only pick, okay, and fruits equal to 1, 2, 3. We can pick from trees 2, 3, double 2. If we had started at the first tree, we would only pick from trees 1 and 2. Right. Guys, I understood. So the problem statement in simple is we need a subarray with only two distinct numbers, and it should be maximum. Great. So let's start, guys. So for writing, Mhm. And let's also see the constraints. So it will be from 1 to 10 to the power of 5 and okay. So let's keep it a variable, guys. Since we are using it multiple times. So actually one fruit. No, this is not correct. Baskets of I think we can keep a while loop. Start from 1, 2. When we get to 3, 3 would be in the basket. So we should remove 1 and start from 2, 3, 2, 3. What are we doing again? We're going for 1, 2. If there are 2 ones, then we shall here we should keep a while loop. Let's see. 2, 2, 2 r minus n plus 1. So let's add few cases. Well, it seems our script is working fine. So let's try submitting it. I think it can be written more elegantly. Anyway, let's try submitting it. Great. Triple three 1 4 1 2 double 1 2. 1 2 double 1 2. 4.6 4 5 should be the answer, but I don't know. Did we add this? Is first case of we added it. And let's see what's going wrong. And let's add few debugging points or the print statements, I would say. So let's see how we do. So initially 3 and none, 0 1 2. I think we should also print answer. So 1. So we are currently at 1. So it does not match with the baskets of 0, which is 3, but it is none. So it will go to the next if. Sorry, first if condition. And now we record 3 comma 1. So it's 0 3 0 1 2 3 and 1, which is okay, fine. Now the answer is 4, but now we currently at 2. So we updated 2 at the last. Great. Updated 2. And we moved left. Okay. I think we have to keep a arrow mark for better readability. Right. So okay. Eventually when we reach 1, we're updating the second part. And we reach 4. Sorry, when we reach 2, we updated, like we removed 3, we updated 2, So 1 and 2. Zero, 1. Now value is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, which is 1. And R is at 4. Great. And at the next step, L is at 3. While 7. Fruits of R does not equal to basket of 1. Zero, 1, 2, 3. Okay. L is 3. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. Now it's again 3. So updated it with. Okay. Okay, guys. I think I understood it. Yeah, I got the problem. Here we get until 2. So we are counting 2 from here and assuming these ones are also 2. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this gives us 6 as answer. So understood the problem. This gives a very big problem. So we have to know I think instead of keeping it as a list, we should keep it as a dictionary. In basket, so far in baskets. If L is Um, so now let's see how it looks. Great. I know what's happening, guys. Buff 3 1 3 1. Okay. 0 to 1 1 have two zeros. What? Okay, 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 okay. Now let's see. So initially 1, where is 0? Okay, we have 1 1 1 2. Something was something was going wrong. Fine, it's fine until here. LR baskets, right? L R 0 1. So 0 1. So 1 1 1 is here, fine. Okay. 0 0 1 2 3. Okay. Now we enter 3. So here 1 1 2 twos, right? How do we get 3 twos? Oh, this is the problem. So now 1 1 1 2. 1 minute, guys. So what are we doing wrong? It can be, I know it can be done elegant, but we are doing some miscalculation, guys. Hmm. Hmm. So initially it's 1 and later it's 1 and 2, and we have 1 and 2 twos, right? 1 and 2 twos, but somehow we got 3 twos. We have to check it out. And what are we doing for it? So 1 monster. So 1 is in baskets, so we are incrementing it here. I think it's better if we keep it here. Hmm. Now let's see what's happening. So from like L and R are at the same position. When R increases, we get 1 1. Fine. 0 1. Later we also included 2. So how did we get 2 equals to 1? We have to check it out. Fruits are equals to 0. Keeping, for keeping 2 equals to 0, right? Baskets of fruits. Okay, it should be 0, right? Let's ignore. Well, it is working fine for the test cases we have. So let me submit it and explain the intuition. So, oh, great. And why is that so? 0, 1, 3, no, 2, 1. Okay, so it's not necessary that the left. Okay, shit. So it's not L. We have to think. I think it's L. Let's see, including it now. No, not. If baskets, well, baskets of L is greater than 0. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, roots of L. Fruits of L minus 1. Why is that? Guess we have to see. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and when we get to 2, okay, so 1, 1, 1, okay, oh, if fruits of L 0 is obviously greater than 0, and if we go to, we'll go to next time. Pop, Okay, if it is if it equals to 1, then do we have to increase? Then let's see. 0. Let's see. 1 double 2 3 double 2 1, right? So initially 1 will be 1 and 2 will be 1. 2 is not 2. So 1 1 2 2, right? Now we remove 1 and now 2 2s 1 3, 3 2s 1 3, fine. 4 2s 1 3 is also fine. And now what L is? What's happening here? 4 2s 1 3. Okay, 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 okay. Right. Great. So the error here is, since we are mm, popping when it is 1, we are not incrementing the L. I'll explain the intuition after submitting the answer. So let me first submit it and let's get into the intuition. What we are doing. Great. So, well, if we see the space complexity lies between 22 and 23 MB, and the time complexity We are pretty good with it too. Let's see what we are doing. So what we are doing is we are starting from here and counting the values. Now we have 1 1 1 2. So we got a different number. So what we are doing is we are popping 1 and taking 2 and 3 and incrementing L from here to here. So we have 2 and 3 now. We increment R again, which so 2 already exists in the dictionary. So we are going forward and same goes for the next. Now we will do R minus 1. Here R will be 5 minus 1. So here R will be 4 and L will be 1. So 4 minus 1 plus 1, that is 4. So we're counting the answer here. So the time complexity is order of 1 and the space complexity is also order of 1. Sorry, the time complexity is order of n and the space complexity is order of 1. So let's check if it can be optimized even more with the help of ChatGPT. Before that, let's see what topic it belongs to. Array hash table, sliding window, and okay, hash table it says. Can we optimize? You can solve the total heat in the sliding plus the trend has order of time and order of system since there are only ever two types. What's the efficient of? Can we well use solution option but can be made more readable and compact by few random conditions. Okay. If count of fruit plus equal to 1 less than 2, this is looking so good, guys. So instead of we pitting, wait, while length of count is greater than 2, we'll be removing, when this it becomes 0, one of the basket becomes 0, then we are deleting it and incrementing in the process and checking in the next step. We won't have to, we'll be adding the next element here. The count will be initially 3 to enter into the while loop. Okay. It's looking great, but well, ours is fine too. And did you manage to add edge cases? Great. So let's change it like that. Diff different. Let's make it compact. It's a free talk. It's so fun. Great. Now let's try submitting it. It's really compact, clean, and sleek. So I hope you guys understand what we're doing. So it didn't impact so much. but it's looking clean at least. So what we are doing now, we have taken a default dict and we are adding new fruits to the basket, and if the length of basket is increased, it becomes greater than 2, then we will be triggering the triggering the while loop, and we are reducing it from the left, so we're going towards the right like this. And when we have three different types of fruits, we reduce the left one, and if the count becomes 0, we are deleting that key and incrementing L. So we are deleting L equal to 0 and incremented L to 1. Now the length of basket is 2 again, so the while loop breaks and we are checking the answer. If it is maximum, then we will record it, and the same will repeat. So I hope you guys understand. Keep working hard and uh, just keep at it, guys.